Hello everyone, I'm Deborah, web designer in the marketing department of GPS Monaco Group. If you're not familiar with the world of marketing and graphic design, you might be wondering how packaging is created. I'll answer that question in this video. When we receive an order for a new product, we receive a simple pattern on a white background from our staff in China, or directly from the supplier if the product is manufactured in another country. This can be full size, or to scale if too large. Certain characteristics are compulsory on the packaging and differ according to the type of product. For example, for an LED product, the features to be displayed are the product references. There may be several on the same packaging, a high-definition photo of the product, the ERP label indicating the product's power consumption, and a regulated size, a standard size, and a smaller size adapted to the smallest packaging. It is impossible to resize the label to fit the screw. Color temperature indicates whether the light is warm, neutral, or cold. Lumens, which correspond to the total quantity of light emitted by the product. The light diffusion cone, which corresponds to the zone where the light is visible. The light diffusion angle, i.e. the direction in which light is projected, which can only be one of these three values, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, or 360 degrees. Volts, wattage. Technical drawing with product dimensions. Product lifetime. The IP rating, which indicates whether or not the product can come into contact with water. Warranty period. The words made in and distributed by. Product barcode is. For cost reasons, we can produce a single packaging for several product references and place checkboxes opposite the product references. Only the product included in the box will be ticked, or if the product's brightness can be adjusted. There are also mandatory logos. The CE logo and those of other standards to which the product conforms, and recycling logos. The crossed-out garbage can and new CTO logos are mandatory to facilitate end-of-life recycling. It's important to note that these logos have a regulated minimum size. In addition to packaging, we also create stickers for your product. These stickers are mandatory and include several elements. Product designation, the batch number, which corresponds to the product order number, the product reference, the words made in as well as distributed by, the mandatory CE logos and the crossed-out garbage can, as well as the product's barcode if it has no packaging. Last but not least, we create the product's user manual. Our supplier sends us a rough version of the instructions in English. We take care of translating them, either simply into French or into several languages if necessary, and rewording the texts. We then lay them out according to your graphic guidelines. Our quality expert also checks this file to make sure that technical terms are used correctly and that product specifications are accurate, then validates it once all this information is correct. Once finalized, these creations become your property. We can send them to you so that you can put the products online on your website. Thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you soon.